So I'm trying out this Netflix on the phone expanded, and by the way, the screen is about 7.6 inch. Oh, the Little Rascals, that's nice. And I have my son watching Cocomelon. Okay, so
I can smell the deers cooking
see,
from the airport.
I can actually just go ahead and do this.
Smells delicious.
Now I can also stand it.
You don't have to eat it.
Oh, try and stop me.
The light on the ceiling is,
Hot here.
so I can actually stand my phone and watch my stuff.
I know I've been doing a really good
And
job of
then
covering, but I do not want
it
to be
always
here.
continues your movie. So for Facebook, it's always easier to just type, read my notifications and stuff like that. You know, versus, and I could also do it in the front, which is a little smaller. Hey guys, it's your girl Rosie and welcome back to the Bambas channel. I am really excited today because I am reviewing the Z Fold 2 5G phone. Like, I was kind of skeptical. I really cannot bring myself to spending close to $2,000 just for a phone. But anyway, thank God for hobby. But anyways, I'll go ahead and review this phone. Now, I'm not a tech person. I have no idea on all the tech stuff to say. But if you're someone like me who likes a phone because of the camera quality, and I mostly wanted this phone because it opens up like a tablet. The screen gets wider. I didn't have to walk around with a tablet and a phone, so that way I can put my SIM card. But one of the things I don't like is the fact that you can put a memory card, because the phone I'm using to film, I have 1 TB memory card, and the phone itself is 256 gig. So let's go ahead and open it because I am so excited. Right, that is what it looks like. That's fancy. I love the I love the box. Like I could use it for some. Let's see. Oh, I like it. It has 3 cameras here. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I think I will turn it on and then set it up. Like log in, all the regular usual stuff. Log in my Gmail and transfer from the old phone some of my data, and I know it may take me a couple of minutes or an hour, and then I will show you what it looks like with everything inside already. It's actually cute. Let's turn it on. Oh. That's it. It's on Z Fold. So when I close it, it's really nice. Hey guys, so I went ahead and transferred all my stuff from the phone I'm filming with, which is my old phone. I'm still gonna be using it because, like I said, I like that this phone has expandable memory card, but this doesn't, the Z Fold. So, and I set it up. That's hobby and the kids. So now, what's the main thing I like about the phone? Put on my camera. That's the camera been like that. Versus real me, no filter. I'm going to go ahead and take a picture. Where is the thing? Did it work? Yeah. See? We can see all the pimples on my face. It's actually cute, and turn it around like that, and there it is. There it is. Okay, so that's one thing I care about. Let's make a video. Now there's a video. Hey, how are you? I'm good. And I can also turn it. Now it has the 3 cameras. I don't know how to show you this. Let's see. The last one. Yes. What do you think? Now that's for the back camera. Let's go ahead and switch to the middle camera. Now that's the middle camera. How about the front? This is with the camera open. I'm actually going to make a little video. This is with the camera open. And close it and see if it continues. It doesn't continue, but it stays in the front. So that's the front camera, and switch it to the back. So you can actually take your pictures without, does the side button work? Nope, the side button turned it off. Most of the things you can actually do on this stuff, you can open up all your apps, and most of these apps, like my Viva video that I used to edit, will not even open until you open up the whole thing. Now let's look for a YouTube movie. You can actually watch your YouTube videos at 1740p resolution, and let's skip past the start, and the volume is whatever. So this is it. I was going to play it like that on YouTube. Okay, I don't know what this one is. Oh, I can actually open it. Oh, and drop it out like that. I'm not exactly sure what the speech is, but you can see that. And of course, this is how deep it is. Like quarter of my arm. Okay. That is some really good screen. So, and that's from YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and take it like this. This is how it look like. That goes, and I can just expand it. So this is pretty good for me. This is pretty good for me because I didn't want to have to, carry my tablet around for a larger screen. And when I'm editing, it's even better. So that's that part for. And let's say you're watching this, you can close it. I think it continues. I like unboxing stuff. Okay, so all right. That is for the YouTube videos. Let's go ahead. I showed you the camera and the YouTube, the part that I'm mostly concerned about. I'm going to try to open my video. I'll try to edit something, and you see how it's so much larger for me. Or let's say I'm editing these videos. I just got, see, it's larger for me to do whatever I need to do versus the regular phone. Let's see. So when I bend it, nothing happens. And it didn't open up here. So this is probably one of those, see, they won't open it. Will ask you if you wanted to restart it. It's one of those apps that would not open when the phone is closed until you open it up. Then you can continue whatever you want to do. So that's the front camera. So it's so much easier for me to edit. And the KineMaster, when I want to edit with my KineMaster app, I found this video. It's so much easier for me to edit. so much easier for me to edit versus holding the regular phone. Now, is it gonna open here? Definitely not. I'm gonna try to open it here. It's one of those apps that will ask you to restart. It wouldn't open until you open it up. So you wouldn't know, but it's so much easier for me to edit with this. Now that is another thing I like about the phone. I went ahead and got me because I have to protect this phone with my life, and I also ordered a tempered glass screen protector. So this came in 2-piece. Yeah, there you go. So you can actually, let's see, stand it that way and watch whatever you want to watch. And that's the reason why I got a screen protector. I mean, I got a case with a kickstand. Now, another thing I love about this is the text. The keyboards are split apart, so that way you can text without even feeling the discomfort of, oh, this is too far, so let me reach out to the other side. So I really think it's pretty cool. And the battery lasts me for, like, I would say for a whole day, except when I'm watching movie on it the whole time, and it lasts a couple of hours. But when I'm just using for the basic stuff like making phone call, oh, with phone call it's very, very good on the ear. It's very, very, like, it's not too noisy, it's also not too slippery, although I have this case now. So but so far so good. It fell from my hand like 2 times making this video, and I'm so glad nothing has gone wrong yet. And like some words that you have to be like really careful with, you know, pressing so hard on the screen, because you don't want to get your finger too deep and mess the screen up, because that could also be an issue. But so far so good. It's really been good. I don't know what else I'm not showing on this thing. I know there's a lot, but when I'm making these videos, okay, let's see if I have to open up Netflix. So I'm trying out this Netflix on the phone expanded, and by the way, this screen is about 7.6 inch. Oh, Little Rascals, that's nice. And I have my son watching Cocomelon. Okay, so let's see. I wanted to watch this. It's different ways, so it doesn't turn like this exactly.
Columbus, Georgia.
I can smell materials cooking
See,
from the airport.
I can actually just go ahead and do this.
Smells delicious.
Now I can also stand it.
You don't have to eat it.
Oh, try and stop me.
The light on the ceiling is, you know,
Hot here.
so I can actually stand my phone and watch my stuff. Okay,
I know I've been doing a really good
and
job
then
covering, but I do not want
it
to be
always continues your movie. That can also turn it that way.
You see why I
Oh, it's not.
Oh, it has been
You
such
see.
a long time since we've seen
Okay.
you. And Coco, you
All right.
kids, oh, you're getting so big.
That's Netflix for you. And that is a whole full screen, like a mini iPad.
Dad? Now, I don't know if I can hug a man who beat my Falcons with a left.
So I really think this is good. And that's for Netflix. Let's see. So for Facebook, it's always easier to just type, read my notifications and, you know, stuff like that. You know, versus, and I could also do it in the front, which is a little smaller. You can also make your phone calls, and I don't know what else. So a lot of stuff you can do, but overall, so far so good. I actually think it's a very nice phone to have, but too freaking expensive. Anyways, that's cool. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you on our next video, and I hope this video really helps you with your decision if you like the Fold 2 or not. But Have a nice day. Like and subscribe. Don't forget. See ya.